Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down. Let your body settle. Close your eyes. Breathe in slowly. And out. You do not need to fix anything right now. You do not need to figure anything out. For the next 20 minutes, you are not required to solve, plan, or prepare. You are only required to be here. Breathe in. And out. Notice what is present in your body right now. Not in your mind. In your body. Is there tightness somewhere? A heaviness in the chest? A constriction in the throat? A restlessness in the legs or hands? Do not try to remove it yet. Just notice it. Name it silently to yourself. It is here. That is allowed. Breathe in slowly. And out. Let your shoulders fall. Your hands open. Your jaw release. These small tensions that the body carries without asking you. They have been there a while. Let them go now, one by one. Your feet. Release them. Your calves and your thighs. Let them soften. Your lower back. Unclench. Your stomach. You do not need to hold it. Your chest. Let it breathe. Your shoulders. Down. Your neck. Easy. Your face. Every small muscle around your eyes, your brow, your jaw. Release. Breathe in. And out. Good. Stay here a moment. Now we will look at what is causing the anxiety. Not to solve it. To observe it. The Stoics understood something important about the anxious mind. They understood that most of our suffering does not come from events themselves. It comes from our interpretation of events. From the story we tell about what is happening and what it means. The event is one thing. What you make it mean is another. Breathe in. And out. Bring to mind, gently, whatever is creating tension for you right now. The thing that has been circling in your thoughts. Do not push it away. Let it be present. Look at it clearly. Now ask yourself one question. Is this within my control? Not partly. Not in theory. Fully within your control, right now, by your own action and choice. If yes, then the anxiety has a purpose. It is pointing to something you can do. Make note of it and let the thought rest for now. If no, if it depends on other people, on outcomes you cannot determine, on the future which has not happened yet, then what you are feeling is not useful information. It is noise. Breathe in. And out. This is not callousness. It is clarity. The Stoics did not say that hard things do not matter. They said that your suffering over things outside your control costs you everything and changes nothing. Your worry does not move the outcome. It only moves you. It takes your energy, your sleep, your presence. And it gives nothing back. Breathe in slowly. And out. Notice the thought that is troubling you. Watch it as you might watch a cloud moving across the sky. It is there. It is real. And it is moving. You do not need to grab it. You do not need to follow it into the next thought and the one after that. Let it move. Breathe in. And out. Every time a thought pulls at you, return to the breath. Not because the thought is wrong. Because this breath, this moment, is where you actually live. The past has already happened. You cannot reach back into it. The future has not happened yet. You cannot reach forward into it. Right now is the only place you exist. And right now, you are breathing. You are here. Your body is doing what it needs to do. Feel the ground beneath you. The solidity of it. You are supported. Whatever is happening outside this room, in this moment you are physically safe, physically still, physically present. Let that register in your body. Breathe in and out. Now bring your attention to the tightness you noticed earlier. Wherever it is sitting in your body. Do not fight it. Breathe into it. Imagine the breath reaching that place. Not to dissolve it by force. To soften it slowly. Breathe in and out. You have carried this tension for a while. The body has been holding it on your behalf. It has been doing its best to protect you. Thank it for that. And now, release it from that duty. You are not under threat. You are safe. The body can let go. Breathe in slowly and out. Let the tension drain downward. Out through your hands. Out through your feet. Into the floor. It does not need to stay with you. Stay here now. In this quiet. In this breath. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are not broken. You are a person carrying something, and you are doing what it takes to set it down, even for a moment. Breathe in and out. The Stoics called it the view from above. The ability to step back from the close-up of your own circumstances and see them from a wider place. From up there, your current difficulty is real, but it is one thing among many. It does not define you. It does not consume you. It is something that is happening in a life that is larger than this moment. Breathe in and out. You will return to this difficulty. But you will return to it differently. Not gripped. Not consumed. Present and clear. That is the only place from which you can actually deal with it. Begin to bring your awareness gently back to the room. Feel the weight of your body. Take a slightly deeper breath. Let it out slowly. There is nothing to rush toward. When you are ready, open your eyes. Carry the stillness with you. Not as something fragile. As something you can return to.